there is a collision between an autonomous ship and a standard ship, what would be the distribution, apportionment, or liability? We're launching that now. We're about to launch a second fellowship, which is something that is quite interesting because it hasn't happened yet, but it will happen very soon. And it's a legal lacuna. I'm still looking for funding for that, but it's a legal lacuna that will occur because if there is pollution from bunker oil, from fuel oil, from a tanker, it's covered by the Civil Liability Convention. If there is bunker oil pollution from a container ship, a passenger ship, it's covered by the Bunkers Convention. If you have pollution from ammonia or any other hazardous substance carried as cargo, is covered by the HNS Convention. That is not enforced, but it is there. But if you have pollution from an alternative fuel now, that is not oil, it will not be covered by any convention. And it's a reality that we will soon face. It will be a legal vacuum. And namely, we try to be at the forefront of developments, and we're launching a fellowship now to address this before it even occurs. So it is very important. I'm really happy, and I will pass you my card afterwards to see if we can talk, because one of my mission statements when I joined was that I wanted to get closer to the industry as well. And it is because you are the ones who actually have to deal with at ground level. We speak in hypothetical terms and say, we have to do this regulation, we have to do the other regulation, but you're the ones who are facing the music. I just drafted some model regulations for compulsory fishing vessels, small-scale fishing vessels in the Caribbean. It was a first in the world, etc. And I told them we could draft a perfectly beautiful regulation, but instead of helping, we would prohibit the fishermen from fishing. So we had to have discussions with insurers, with the fishers, to see until you come to an agreement. Why? Because those are the stakeholders, that's the industry. And you have the final say in what could be done and how you are affected. Because, whatever regulation can be done, we are behind the pen, let's say, but you're the ones who are facing it. So I think your voice is of paramount importance. It has been my mission to get closer to the industry, and we welcome any requests or suggestions you may have in cooperation with any of the universities here. Thank you so much.